Good afternoon. Welcome back to podcast that keeps you in the know about all things digital today. We're going we're going into a topic crucial for everyone in this increasingly interconnected world. Security. We're often bombarded with headlines about data breaches and online scams. But what does opportunity really mean and how we can protect ourselves? Joining me today is a concerned cybersecurity analyst.
Oh,
Please welcome Jabis de la Peña. Jabis, welcome to the show.
thanks for having me.
Okay, Jabis, let's start to the basic. What exactly is a cybersecurity?
Cybersecurity is usually the practice of protecting computer system, networks, and data from unauthorized access, use, destruction, restriction, and notification, or the distraction about satisfies keeping our digital lives.
Can you give us some practical tips for protecting ourselves online?
The first strong password are essential. Use a unique complete password for each of your online accounts.
Public Wi-Fi. Is that something we should be cautious about?
Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecure, making easy to hackers to interrupt your data.
What are some of the biggest cybersecurity threats we're facing today?
Ransomware is a major concern. This type of malware can encrypts your files and demands ransom for their release.
What can people do if they think they've been a victim of cyber attack?
Change your password immediately. Then report the incident to the appropriate authorities.
Jabez, thank you so much for sharing your expertise today. Welcome to Privacy Matters, the podcast dedicated to exploring the ever-evolving world of data privacy. In today's digital age, our personal information is constantly being collected, used and shared, but how much control do we really have over our data? And what are the implications for our privacy? Joining me today is Christopher Llagas. Christopher, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Christopher, let's start to the basic. What exactly is the data privacy?
Um, Data privacy refers to the right of individuals to control their um, personal information is collected, used, and disclosed. It's about protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access and misuse.
And why is data privacy so important?
Our data is incredibly valuable. It's used by companies to target advertising, by governments for surveillance, and by criminals for identity theft. Without strong data privacy protections, we risk um, significant harm, financial loss, reputational damage, and even uh, physical harm.
And what are some of the biggest threats to our data privacy?
Data breaches are a major concern. These incidents can expose vast amounts of personal information to malicious actors. Surveillance technologies, both um, government and private, are also a growing threat. And then there's the issue of data aggregation, where companies combine data from multiple sources to create data profiles of individuals.
What rights do individuals have regarding their data?
Jurisdictions have laws that grant individuals certain rights, such as the right to access their data, the right to correct inaccuracies, and the right to delete their data. So these rights vary depending on the location and the specific laws. It's important to be aware of your rights and how to exercise them.
And what practical steps can individuals take to protect their data privacy?
Be mindful of what information you share online. Read privacy policies carefully before signing up for online services. Use strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Consider using privacy-enhancing technologies such as VPNs and ad blockers, and stay informed about data privacy issues and legislation.
Future of data privacy and what challenges lie ahead?
Increasing of use of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things present significant challenges for data privacy. This, these technologies generate vast amounts of data, and ensuring its responsible use will require robust legal framework and technological solutions. International cooperation will also be crucial to address the global nature of data flows.
Christopher, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
And welcome back to Marketing Mavericks, the podcast that keep you ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. Today, we're diving into the hottest trends shaping the landscape in 2025. I'm your host, Gisli Vasalio, and I'm thrilled to be joined by marketing guru Sheila Acedo. Welcome to the show, Sheila.
Thank you for having me.
So Sheila, let's jump right in. What are some of the biggest digital marketing trends we're seeing this year?
Well, it is a dynamic landscape, but a few key trends stands out. First, EL-powered personalizations is exploding.
That's fascinating. And how are marketers leveraging AI beyond personalization?
AI is impacting almost every aspect of marketing. We're seeing it used for predictive analytics to anticipate customer behavior and optimize campaigns. Connect creation with AI writing tools.
It sounds like AI is revolutionizing the industry. What about other significant trends?
Absolutely, short form video continues its run. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram, Reels, and incredibly popular, and brands are using them creatively to engage audience with quick, copy, captivating content.
Thank you so much, Sheila.
Thank you, my pleasure.